Hey guys, so in this lab we're going to figure out the percent composition of zinc in pennies by comparing the percent composition of a pre-1982 penny to a post-1982 penny. You're going to see a pretty big difference because in the US we have changed the formula for a penny. So let's get started. Alright, here are the materials you'll need for the pennies lab. A calculator, a digital scale, a 6 molar hydrochloric solution, 2 50 milliliter beakers, a 10 milliliter pipette, one pre-1982 penny and one post-1982 penny, and one file. Observe the pre-1982 penny. If you get in close, you'll see it's a 1979 penny. Observe the color, the luster, the malleability, just the general outlook of the penny. Now make observations for the post-1982 penny. If you get up close, you'll see it's a 2012 penny. Observe the color, the luster, the malleability, just the overall look of the penny. Notice the 2 of the 3 notches I've made. It's just a very tiny shallow notch. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the post-1982 penny as well. I'm going to gently rock back and forth. Tiny notch placed on the side of the penny. Again, it doesn't have to be a very deep notch. I'm going to now weigh the 2 pennies. The first thing I should do is I should zero my scale. Okay, so I'll first weigh the pre-1982 penny, the 1979 penny. And the mass is 3.07 grams. Now I'll weigh the post-1982 penny. It is 2.48 grams. Before we fill our beakers with the acid solution, we're going to go ahead and label our beakers so we know which has which penny. We'll label one as pre-1982 and the other one as post-1982. This is the pipette. The way we use this device is we start by taking the air out of the big bulb at the top to create a vacuum. So we squeeze the button at the top and then squeeze the ball to take all of the air out, and then we let go of the button and it will hold a tight vacuum. From there, if you push the button by the thumb, it will draw a liquid up, whereas if you grab too much, you can push the button on the side handle, and if you push that, it will push the liquid back out. So let me demonstrate. We're going to go ahead and take 20 milliliters out of the hydrochloric acid solution. So we start by squeezing the middle button to draw up the liquid, and at exactly 10 milliliters, we will go ahead and carefully take it out and then squeeze the side lever to push the liquid out. Now that we have finished the acid solution, we're going to go ahead and gently place each of the penny into the solution. Make sure you put the pre-1982 penny into the beaker labeled pre-1982 and the post-1982 penny marked post-1982. Go ahead and observe what's happening in both of those beakers. Notice the changes that's happening between the pre-1982 penny and the post-1982 penny.